I met my wife in high school, and although we didn't really connect back then, we reconnected later. After high school, her parents pushed her to marry her boyfriend and move out. She was working as a nurse's assistant, and her boyfriend was studying engineering. She wanted to pursue higher education, but was unsure about her direction. She considered law school, but her boyfriend's father, a professional engineer, suggested she look into nursing instead, saying it would be easier for her since she already worked in a similar field. I remember how she took that as a challenge and enrolled in the chemical engineering department, where she was the only female among 120 students. It wasn't easy. She faced harassment and had to constantly defend her work. But she persevered and graduated with honors 4 years later. Meanwhile, her husband had taken time off from his program, got caught up in an affair, and she eventually dumped him. Years later, she became an expert in her field and even went to court as a representative for a landfill company, testifying against her former father-in-law due to his poor design work. It was ironic that her ex-husband had dropped out of engineering school and was working as a nurse in an old folks' home. Her former father-in-law couldn't understand how she had succeeded in a male-dominated field, but I was proud of her for proving him wrong.